Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today, we're exploring an exciting method to earn passive income with the renowned Honeygain app. This video will provide an in-depth look at how you can maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Honeygain is a unique app. It allows you to earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It is a simple and effective way to generate passive income without any extra effort. By running Honeygain on your device, you contribute to a network that helps businesses with web intelligence and content delivery. Honeygain is available for Android, Windows, Linux and macOS. Installing Honeygain is super easy. Here is how you can do it. First, click the link in the video description to grab your $3 sign-up bonus. Confirm that you are a human and not an automated system. Next, click on Claim $3 to proceed. Next, you will arrive at the registration page. Fill in your email ID and a strong password. Alternately, you can use Google or Facebook to also create a new account. You will notice that the $3 referral code has been pre-filled for you. Next, click on Continue with Email if you have chosen to register with your email ID. Next, you will arrive at a screen like this. Remember to check your email box to verify and confirm your email ID. Follow the instructions to download the Honeygain app, install it and then log in with the same credentials you used while registering. You can download Honeygain by clicking on the download option below the instructions, or from the drop-down above, where you will have more options. Download and install the application, and you are then ready to get started. If you have installed Honeygain on a Windows PC, you will see an interface like this. Remember, by installing on a Windows or a macOS desktop, you will get double the traffic and thus double your earnings. To ensure that you maximize your earning potential on desktops, you need to enable Content Delivery Network or CDN. To enable CDN, follow these steps. First, open the Honeygain app, and then switch on Content Delivery. It may take a few days to activate, but it's worth it. Content delivery handles bandwidth-intensive tasks, so you earn more compared to default network sharing. When you access the Honeygain dashboard, you'll find it to be highly informative. Here, you can see your current earning balance. Your last 30 days' earnings, color-coded by gathering, content delivery, referrals, and winnings. You will also get to see your daily earning stats and details about your referrals. Isn't the dashboard informative? Honeygain has a fantastic referral program. Share your referral code with your friend. Once your friend joins using your referral code, they will get a $3 welcome bonus. And when your friend reaches the $20 payout threshold, you will get $5 referral bonus. All while you continue to earn 25% of what your friend earns. Isn't that awesome? Withdrawing your earnings from Honeygain is easy. Once you reach the withdrawal limit of $20, you can click on the Request Payout button. You will get an option to withdraw through PayPal or JumpTask tokens. Click on Continue to proceed. Remember to link and verify your PayPal or crypto wallet the first time you withdraw. To maximize earnings from Honeygain, follow these best practices. Share bandwidth 24/7 if possible. More you share, more you earn. Complete daily tasks and earn credits. Refer your friends. More the active referrals, more you earn. Unlock various achievements to earn more. Ensure you have enabled content delivery on desktop to earn further. Honeygain has a vibrant and growing community of users from all around the world. By joining Honeygain, you're becoming part of a global network of individuals who are earning passive income effortlessly. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Honeygain community today and start earning passive income effortlessly. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.